we're getting there. Working on some floors tonight. I'm gonna finish the closet floor. One of them. This is Lynn's closet. Beautiful Lynn. Very beautiful one. Not ready yet, but okay, another story. So, what I'm gonna do is I got all the wood already cut, laid out for video purposes, just to make it go quicker, smoother, you know. But we're using all the little scrap pieces, the smaller pieces, so that it's not as noticeable in the closet. So, a little more seams, a little more small pieces, but I got it all cut, started it. Gonna run it the opposite way of this floor. Well, no, actually not. It's going to run the same width of this floor. But we're putting thresholds, just a piece of hardwood flooring, and that threshold to break it up, just to make it easier to buy it up through, break it up through. Instead of trying to run all the way through, a lot more work that way. So, yeah, we got it all cut. What we'll do is just nail it all together. I'll glue the outer edges, make sure it's tight, everything's glued in. I'll glue the threshold in, make sure everything's tight. So, this is one of my first-ish kind of videos, so bear with me if you can't hear me real good. Write a comments if I'm not speaking loud enough, or just give me your feedback so that I can improve in any way possible. Keep making these videos, and you guys can follow along my journey. Tough Guys Handyman Services. Been doing it a long time. Been doing this house for a long time. We've been here, it's only been here almost a year, 9 months or so. I've been here a couple months. It's a lot of work. It's in bad shape, we got it, but it's coming along. And I'll be cheaper here in a little while. I'll show you around and let you see the house and show you everything we've done. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. It's kind of a weird shot, so I'm going to kind of just give you a picture of my video of my butt the whole time. So I'll try to do it best I can from the side. It's just a little hitter tool here. Slammer. And normally we've been using